Your car might be trying to save you money on gas by shutting down cylinders on the highway, but when code P3432 pops up, that smart feature turns into a shaky, misfiring headache. This code tells you that the cylinder 4 exhaust valve control circuit has a high voltage or resistance issue, meaning the engine control module can't properly toggle that cylinder into its fuel-saving mode. Whether you're driving a Jeep, Chrysler, or a Chevy, this cylinder deactivation system relies on variable valve timing solenoids and perfect oil pressure to work. If the engine control module senses something is off, it might even cut the fuel to cylinder 4 entirely to protect itself, leaving you with a noticeable shake and a lack of power. Before you go out and buy a new solenoid, do the simple stuff first. Check your oil level and quality, because these systems are incredibly sensitive to dirty or low oil. If the oil is fine, give the wiring and connectors near the exhaust manifold a close look for any signs of melting or corrosion. You'll want to use a digital multimeter to check for continuity and make sure there isn't an open circuit or short causing that high resistance reading. If the wiring is solid and your oil pressure is within the manufacturer's specs, then you're likely looking at a faulty variable valve timing solenoid or a physical blockage in the oil passage. It's a technical job, but staying on top of it prevents a simple electronic glitch from turning into permanent engine wear. Always check for technical service bulletins for your specific model before diving in, as sometimes a simple software flash from the dealer is all it takes to get your engine running smooth again on all cylinders.